What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. Hopefully you guys enjoying this content on the channel, man. Filming this, we had a hard time trying to catch fish. It was just, the wind was not with us this week, and it's gonna be the same next week. But hopefully you guys are sticking with us, man. It's been tough, but hopefully you guys enjoying the content. Go ahead and leave your comments down below, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Man, getting a bump, but it's not taking it. There it is. Oh yeah, little trout. Yeah. Woo! Little guy, man, little guy. I don't know, he feels like a little guy, but then he doesn't feel that small. Look at that. Early morning trout, and I snagged him on the gill. Caught him passing by. That. He is right at 14, man. Look at that. Took me like 3 different places to go to, but I finally hooked the trout. That's good. I hooked a fish, period. I think he's barely hooked too. There you go. Oh man. Pretty trout. That's a legal trout. Look at that, man. Sometimes it pays off to stay out late, man. Been filming all day. Finally landed a fat one. Right around the 16 mark. Scoot over. There it is. Oh, that's good. Woo! It's been on. He ain't that big. Which I bet is a skipjack, probably.
Alright, so it was definitely not a skipjack, but it was definitely a red. I thought it was a skipjack just for the fact that that place there by the bridge has tons of skipjacks, and during the day that's usually all you catch. Except since it's September, there is reds that run through occasionally. And I thought it was a skipjack because I had my drag fairly loose. So I was expecting, you know, this big old 30-inch skipjack that I'm used to catching there. And just, well, it turned out to be a red. And after that, I knew everything else that was going to make a rod scream from there was going to be a red that day. So I'll let y'all see for yourself.
I ain't caught a red in the lure in a long time. There it goes. I don't want him to fit the hook. Alright, that move. How did I catch that? I wasn't expecting that to do. No, he's on the lip. Perfect. That's a keeper. Huh? Yeah, I got one. It's about 24.
24?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Got it. That's a red. Stingray. Sure? Ain't no way. Stingray got the lure. No, I think there's a red. I saw red. Yeah. Ain't no stingray. And pulling that hard. Come on. That's a red. That's a red. just stay there. Let it run it. You're coming. You got it. Come on, so don't lose them. There's junk over there. Here, hold on. Switch the rods so you don't fall. Here.
What is it?
It's a red.
Red?
Yeah, it's a red. It's a big red too. Alright, look. Here. Let me the band up for you. Got it? Yeah. I got. He's barely hooked. Yeah, he's barely hooked. Here, hold my rod. I got it. How'd you do that? Huh?
Just like me.
I can let him go, but that is silly. Yeah, but I'm gonna put him on the stringer first before I drop him. Got a red? You do got a red. Another one? How are you doing it today? You out fishing me. Don't lose him. Here. Oh, you got it. Okay, you got it. Don't let him run to the. Let him run. Let him run. You're good. I'm guessing you don't want to go home. That's a red. Let him. There you go. That's a good one. Hey, well, you gotta snap your line if you keep on pulling the rod up. Just because it's gonna rub on the rocks. Watch out. Just stand still. I got him. Stop. I got him. But I don't need you falling. Here. Hold this.
Well, nice fish, but don't count your fish too early yet.
Yeah, you also catch
the biggest one?
let me go see how big it is. I'm guessing like 21, 22.
Well guys, we're headed to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. Like and subscribe like always. Share the video with friends and family. And sadly we had to end the video like this, but it happened. I'll let y'all see what happened there. It's bad. I'll see y'all in the next video.